Hello dear friends, my name is Jitendra Bhafna. I am a senior solution architect. In this video, we are going to see how to publish a API into Anypoint Exchange and like how we can share it to developer portal. So basically, we will see how we can publish open API specification to Anypoint Exchange using Anypoint Studio. Okay, so basically we know like we can easily publish your open API specification into Anypoint Exchange using Design Center, but in this video we will focus on Anypoint Studio, and also we will see how we can share it to the developer portal. So let me start. So what is Anypoint Exchange? The first thing, let me go to Anypoint Exchange. So basically, this is the repository provided by MuleSoft where you can keep your asset and you can share your asset. So basically, you can find a asset which is provided by MuleSoft, which contain connectors, which contain accelerators, which contain templates. So there are many things you can find and you can use them. And also, you can also share your asset privately within your organization, and even you can share it your publicly also. Okay. So let me start with first thing. So right now I cannot see my post API here yet. And also I will recommend first, like you have to watch all the 5 videos in this series before coming to this video. So let me start. I can simply right click here. I can click right click on API specification project. I can go to manage API specification and I can simply say public to exchange. So once I will click on public to exchange, it will open a window where I can verify the detail and I can provide the details. So, okay, so it is saying like you haven't commit the changes. So first let me commit the local changes to design center before I move into Anypoint Exchange. So you can see this is the file has been changed. Let me save, everything is saved. Let me click on this plus sign. I can say new changes, edit. Don't put this kind of comment, just put a proper comment. This is just a demo. I'll say commit and push. Okay, it's committed. Now I will try to again publish to Anypoint Exchange. So you can see publish to exchange. Okay, so let's wait till it's open a window. Yeah, it's open. You can provide the asset version 1.0.0 and I can simply say finish. Just verify all the details, provide the API version and just publish it. So let's wait while the API is publishing. So let me check whether it's come here. It's still publishing. Yeah, you can see the API is here. I think it should still it the status is not completed yet. Let's wait. So you can see the API. You can see all the methods. So you can test it here and you can see all the parameters, whatever yeah, it got published. Let me say okay. So my API is been successfully published to Anypoint Exchange. Right now I want to share this API to developer portal, and if you want to do some kind of mock testing, and and even you can use this environment so you can select the environment, right? So for which environment you have to test, but we will use the mocking service for now. I'll put some parameter. I'll put some parameter. Let me, so client ID, I have to provide both the value, send. So you can see I got the successful response. Now I want to share this to a developer portal. I can simply click on share. I will say public. I will select the version of asset. I will save. Once you click on save, you can go to asset list. You can click on public portal. Your API must be here. Now any developer who want to consume this API, we can share this URL to him. He can come and he can see the specification and he can start consuming the API. So let's consider if I want to implement this get method and if I want to connect to any production environment, or like he can see the environment here. He can see what are the query parameters required, what are the headers required, what are the like create security parameters required. So you can do it everything from here, and you can also do some kind of mocking testing. Let me do it. Send it. I got a successful response. Okay, so this is how you can test. You can just publish your API to Anypoint Exchange and share it via any developer portal, right? Also, I want to show you one more thing. So if you see, when you create API specification project, it also create exchange.json file. So you can see it here. So similar to RAML. So RAML is also creating exchange.json. It also does. Okay. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please click on like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.